Hi everyone, welcome back to Arm Candy, and if you've not been here before, welcome to Arm Candy. We've got a gorgeous St. Laurent Loulou backpack to show you today, and I love the YSL Loulou anyway, and I think everybody needs a good backpack in their life, and if you don't have one already, then this is a perfect option. I'll show you through the features. So we've got one little grab handle at the top, and then of course we've got two backpack straps on the back as well, and they're adjustable, so you can kind of make them the length that you like. We've got flap closure with the YSL badge on the front, and I'll open it up and show you inside. So we've got magnetic press stud closure and also a drawstring closure as well, and then inside we've got one zipped flap pocket at the back, so that zip still works really nicely, and then on the opposite side we've got another flap pocket there as well, and that is just a fabric lining in there, and the exterior of the bag is this gorgeous matelassé quilted leather, which is just kind of typical of the Loulou. It looks gorgeous. I will show you what this St. Laurent comes with. So we've got just the dust bag, leave that there, just the St. Laurent dust bag with this backpack. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. I will show you the condition. It's still in really good condition. We have called the condition all over good. As you can see, there's no particular marks or anything for me to show you. It is just, you can tell that it's been used before. These corners are starting to show some signs of wear. Look at that, at an angle you can see it on the camera. They're just starting to show, and the corners are always the first to show wear. You can see there it's just starting to scuff a little bit, and on that side as well, but for the most part it is in nice condition. The interior again is the same. There's just kind of some creasing along that flap closure from where it naturally would crease from it opening and closing, and then inside again nothing in particular for me to show you, but you can tell that it has been pre-loved and pre-used, but still in very nice condition. Hardware has started to get a little bit of scratching and discoloration on it, but it still all works perfectly and it's still very nice and shiny, and that badge, that YSL badge, still looks really nice as well. So if you wanted to know the exact measurements of this YSL, you can go to the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you directly to the St. Laurent. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, if you love it as much as I do, don't forget you can get on our request list. Send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this and we'll get you on our request list for this bag. So as I said, exact measurements are on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So if it's any help, I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So I'll pop it on so you can see what it looks like on me. And for me, this is a really nice size. I think it's not too big, but it's definitely big enough. You could fit kind of a laptop in there, you can fit all your work bits, you can fit a water bottle, whatever you need with you out and about on your day. You can definitely fit in there. It is a very nice size, and I'll just show you again and have it on one shoulder like that, and it's just gorgeous. So for more details on this bag, again, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse through all of our other beautiful bags, purses and wallets while you're there, and don't forget to sign up to our newsletter. So if you scroll to the bottom of any page that you're on, you'll find a little box that you can pop your email in. Pop your email in there and we will send you through your welcome discount code. So that will be a 5% discount that you can use on your first purchase with us. And also on our website you'll find the How to Sell with Us page. We love to see what arm candy you guys have for us, so get onto that page and you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us. And that's all I have for you, so I'll see you later with some more arm candy.